What's up, everyone? Copies here, back again. Was just making some dinner, throwing something in the slow cooker when package came. UPS guy comes pretty darn late. Anyway, it's a little something different, and I'm kind of stoked to see it, and thought I'd go ahead and bring you guys along on the journey. I think my dog wants to come over here. Come on, buddy. Go ahead. All right. And for those who don't know, that's my dog. He's a good boy. All right, say hi. Say hi, Bo. All right. That's not very friendly. Anyway, so yeah, as I said, this was from Shoe Palace. This is their Vans 25th anniversary collaboration. Shoe Palace is celebrating 25 years of being in business, which I honestly did not know they'd been around that long, but apparently they have, and they got together with Vans to create this interesting little collaboration here, which I dig, and I'll probably get some nice pictures for y'all later, let you know a little bit more about them. But for right now, just to get a first look, there's your packaging. And I know hypebeasts don't wear Vans, but believe it or not, when I was in high school, I used to skate, so I used to wear a lot of Vans. So I kind of appreciate this this look here. So there's two sides to these. Yeah, one looks just kind of black. You got the suede-ish leather here, but the panel is checkered, that classic Vans look. Inside, you do have something on the insert there. Oh, yeah, it's the list of different Shoe Palace locations. It's the same thing that's on the back of the shirts that match. The other shoe is just a mirror of that. And there you go. The Shoe Palace and Vans 25th anniversary collaboration. Which again, a lot of you are going to be like, it's not Boost. Not Jordans. It's cool by me, man. I like to wear what other people aren't wearing. And, you know, living in Southern California for a good chunk of my life, skate culture is kind of just still alive there. And I definitely think it was a good choice for Vans to collaborate with to celebrate the 25th year. If you want a pair of these, I believe they are still available. They dropped on Saturday. And I don't know, first impressions, it's actually a little more vibrant than I thought they'd be from the pictures. You know, we're so used to the filter jig now, where everything just comes out not looking quite the same as it does in the photos. So I kind of expect them to be a little more washed, not as much contrast there. But truly with Vans, they don't look their best until you've worn them for, you know, a year or so, or just beat the hell out of them. And I expect to do that with these. So yeah, again, thanks for joining in. That's all we got for today. But I figured before I get around to eating and everything, I would share this with you guys. So yeah, go ahead, check it out. ShoePalace.com. They should have some more pairs. They also had a skate high. These are the old schools for those who prefer their high top version, and a couple matching shirts. Anyways, say bye, Bo. You say bye, Bo? He's not going to say goodbye.